whenever you go into your templates for your emails or whatever, there is the signature icon here that lets you edit your signature.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So up in this upper left-hand corner, it tells you what is this signature going to be by default if you don't have one set up for yourself. So there's an all option, meaning this is for everybody on my team. If they don't have their own signature set up, it's going to use this one. So no telling, whatever's in there. It's possible that Gabby's information is in there for that one. What you do is you can click on that and you can choose whose signature do you want to edit. So I click on Mark and then it'll show me Mark's. If all it says is all, you don't have any names in there, then you can come over and click on the little plus, select one of the people that you want to add a signature for. Let's say for Mackenzie, if I wanted to add Mackenzie to this list, Mackenzie's now in the list. I can go to Mackenzie stuff and I can put Mackenzie's signature in there and save it. What this does is whenever Mackenzie goes to send it and it uses the signature merge field, it's going to use this signature. If you send a message, or in this case, if I look at Cody, this would be Cody's signature. If I'm sending it and I don't have one, I do have one here, but if Jake went to send, he was logged in and he didn't have one, it would grab the all option and as a default signature whenever the signature was being used. Does that make sense? So more than likely, if it came out with Gabby's information, either you don't have one assigned to you or yours has Gabby's information in there and it's using that.
Mark, I'm sorry, where are you?
In the template area, like whenever you're setting up template or if you're sending an email, either one, there's this little signature icon right here, this little pencil piece that looks like it's writing on a script or whatever. You can edit that signature and it comes up with the custom signature and merge fields. So this upper left-hand corner identifies which user do we want to edit the templates for. And if you don't select a person, it's the all, then anybody that doesn't have a signature will be using this one.
Okay, thank you, Mark.
It's kind of a default option. So